Oh! You like that? Whoa! Whoa! Hey everybody, how we doing today? So we are doing some fun fishing today. Kind of just squeezing some fishing in before the lobster mini season starts, which is this Wednesday and Thursday. It's just so crazy out here with all the boats and people. It's just not possible to do any fishing, and I kind of like to stay off the water then. In the meantime, an update. Got home yesterday, got onto the computer. I've ordered 8 new batteries for all my GoPros and my lights, so those that got waterlogged are going to be replaced this week. I've also got both the, actually 2 new jigging reels coming. I figured instead of just having the one and just really burning those out, I'd get 2 and kind of be able to flip-flop between them. So plus if one's down, then I've still got the other, so I won't be out like I am now. Kind of like the Outboard's got the old one, but also have the new one when I need it. Hats, I got those on order. Okay, I've got a hold of my buyer, so hopefully this next week I'll be getting those in, just depending on the shipping. And what else? That's about it. The way I'm set up today, since we've got an incoming tide all afternoon, we've got a west blowing wind, which is bad for fishing in the Keys. I set up on this western side of the Shark Channel, right along the flat edge where it dumps into the deep water. I've got some remnants of chum I'm just putting out just to make a bit of an attractant to bring stuff around in this area. I've got my pinfish grunt rod. I might try to catch some jacks with my light spinner there. And then I've got a balloon set up for my heavy duty spinner. And then with this wind just blowing out into the channel, that'll keep that balloon out in that center and keep that bait out in that vicinity. So that is the plan. Okay, we're gonna start with a nice big pinfish. Got them all ballooned up already. Kind of hoping it doesn't get whacked by a cuda right away, but we shall see. Just like that. And it's gonna swim around until it gets whacked. Oh, it's got whacked already. All right, that was quick. Oh, that's a shark. And that stopped them. Oh no. Man, that was quick. That was really, really quick. Oh, is that a cuda? Oh, that's a cuda. Thought that was awful fast for a shark. And that's as fast as it happens though. Man, that was my one and only good bait though. Alrighty, mission accomplished. Let's let you go. You lost, give up. You lost, give up. There you go. Nice little wrist rocket there. There goes a tarpon right there. Might be able to get it in front of them. That would be interesting. Uh-oh, why is that balloon coming towards me? Well, got something. What do we got? Another cooters. Ah, jumping cooters. Yay. Oh, jumping cooters. Trying to put on a show. Give up. You done? Yeah, I think you're done, aren't you? Ooh, angry face. Turn over, turn over. There you go. No, too much. Turn. Can't grab you like that. Turn. Turn. Missed it. Missed it. Come here. There we go. Yeah, I know you want to bite me. Nope, nope, nope. There we go. In the light. Well, I think I'm going to call it. Rough days on the catching. Man, when you can't even catch jacks, that was kind of what I was targeting today. So no jacks means I couldn't catch any sharks. Fortunately, barracuda stepped in, so I didn't get a skunk day. But yeah, that's the rough summer doldrums. So I think I'll try to put some effort into finding some fish tomorrow. This video shouldn't take too long to edit since I really didn't have very much footage. I do have a stack of all about the bait orders that need to go out on Monday. I will usually wait till Monday morning, process them and send them out, but I think I'll do it tonight, and that'll get me ahead of the game. Do a little better research for what the conditions are tomorrow. Wind, sun, rain, current, and then see if we can find some fish. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye. Do I still have it on? I think I got it on still. Might have my Hail Mary. Yeah. Sitting here at the launch getting my kayak packed up and got a tarpon on. Hail Mary for the win. Oh! You like that? Whoa! Whoa! Nice. Pretty little juvenile. Love these guys. One more jump. Too tired? All right, let's land ya. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Didn't like that. Come on. Come on, nope. Done. There you go. Alrighty. Open up, open up, open up. Did you swallow it? I just swallowed it. There we go. Nice. Go on.